तो हेलो गाइड्स, आज हम देखने वाले हैं सीबीएसई सब्जेक्ट साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 12 फ्रिक्शन एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, fill in the blanks. A. Friction opposes the dash between the surfaces in contact with each other. Relative motion. Friction depends on the dash of surfaces. Nature of surfaces. Friction produces dash. Friction produces heat. D. Sprinkling of powder on the carom board dash friction. Reduces the friction. E. Sliding friction is dash than the static friction. Less than static friction. Question number 2. 4 children were asked to arrange forces due to rolling, static and sliding frictions in a decreasing order. Their arrangements are given below. Choose the correct arrangement. The arrangement are: A. Rolling, static, sliding. B. Rolling, sliding, static. C. Static, sliding, rolling. D. Sliding, static, rolling. The answer is C. Static, sliding, rolling. Question number 3. Alida runs her toy car on dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order will be: A. Wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel spread. B. Newspaper, towel spread, dry marble floor, wet marble floor. C. Towel spread, newspaper, dry marble floor, wet marble floor. D. Wet marble floor, dry marble floor, towel spread and newspaper. The answer is A. Wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper and towel spread. Question number 4. Suppose your writing desk is tilted a little. A book kept on it start sliding down. Show the direction of frictional force acting on it. Answer: friction force acts opposite to the motion of book. Question number 5. You spill a bucket of soapy water on marble floor accidentally. Would it make it easier or more difficult to walk on the floor? Why? Answer: it would be difficult to walk on the floor. Soapy water fills the floor irregularities, thus reduces friction considerably. Feet does not make necessary grip with the floor surface, thus increasing the chances of falling. Question number 6. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. The answer is: spikes increase friction and give better grip with the ground. It avoids slipping of sportsmen while playing or running. Question number 7. Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavier box on the same floor. Who will have to apply a larger force and why? Answer: friction force is directly proportional to mass. Heavier box will put more force on the floor surface as compared to lighter box and therefore will experience more opposite force, friction. Seema will have to apply larger force. Question number 8. Explain why the sliding friction is less than the static friction. Answer: when the objects are at rest, the interlocking or irregularities in the two surfaces of the objects is higher than that of when objects are moving. When objects are moving, there is less interaction between their surfaces. That's why sliding friction is less than static friction. Question number 9. Give examples to show that friction is both a friend and a foe. Friction is both a friend and a foe due to following reasons. Friction acts as friend. First, we are able to walk because of frictional force between ground and our feet. Second, we are able to write because of friction between the ball point and the paper surface. Third, nails and screws stick to wall because of friction. And last, lighting a matchstick is because of friction between matchstick and the side surface of the matchbox. Friction acts as foe. First, wear and tear of soles of our shoes is due to friction. When a tire deflates, it is difficult to move the vehicle because of increased friction between the tire and the road surface. Third, machines get heated up because of friction. Fourth, due to friction, machines and vehicles consume more fuel and increases maintenance cost. Question number 10. Explain why objects moving in fluids must have special shape. Answer. The frictional force exerted by fluids is also called drag or fluid friction. To overcome or minimize air. Fluid friction, the bodies of objects minimize its surface. Example, sometimes spherical shapes or other streamlined shape with smooth surface. Airplanes, jets, raindrops have streamlined curved surface to reduce air drag. So, thank you guys.